Jami Jo, and I am from Jami Jo Sells Wax. We are a fragrance company selling Scentsy products. I have been selling since all the way back in 2008, and I have also built a team of amazing consultants that are doing the exact same thing. I love Scentsy. I absolutely love the products. I fell in love with the products first. I started as a customer. I love the products because they're safe and, more importantly, they work. They're cute, they smell good, they're affordable. I love all the things about Scentsy, but I also love that this company has afforded me a life of freedom, both financial freedom and time freedom. So I am wholeheartedly sold into Scentsy, and I love this company and love these products. But here's a problem. When you get to be a Scentsy addict, like I am, you want all the cute warmers for all the seasons or all the holidays. So one of the perks of being a Scentsy consultant is the fact that we can subscribe to the scent and the warmer of the month. So if you weren't aware, Scentsy fragrance is mainly a warmer and wax company. Now we've branched out into fragrance for all different areas of your life, but warmers and wax is where we started, and that's what most people absolutely love about Scentsy. So warmer and scent of the month is a privilege for consultants. Now here's a really cool thing about it. We actually get it before it goes live to the public. So we get it typically about 2 weeks before the warmer goes live, and the warmer and scent of the month is usually holiday specific or season specific. Not always, but usually. And this month it totally is holiday specific. So I have my box right here. It came to the porch last night. I wanted to wait and share it with you guys. So I started to open it, but I thought, no. I'm gonna wait, and I am going to do that with you guys. So let's see what we got this month. I mean, I know we got a warmer and wax, but let's see what we're looking at. Okay, so first of all, wax is on top. 1 bar, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 bars. We get 8 bars of wax in this. And this month it is strawberry lemon cake. Let's see what their description of this is. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, right? Fresh strawberries add a sweet surprise of a lemon zest and vanilla buttercream, creating a perfectly delicious confection. And it is in the bakery fragrance family. Now, I will tell you guys, if you've been following me for any time at all, you know I'm typically not a food smell person, but I do love some of them. That's crazy. It really does smell like a cake baking. Now, if you guys notice, I turned it over. I always smell a fresh bar of wax on the bottom. If you did not know, most of our wax is stored like this. The reason for that is we are a paraffin wax. That's one thing that sets us apart from all other waxes on the market. We use a paraffin wax, which first of all, non-toxic, perfectly safe, but paraffin wax will hold more fragrance oils than any other type of wax. So we load our bars full of fragrance. Sometimes you might even see like an oily substance on the top. That's because we have put so much oil into our wax that sometimes we get on the verge of it not being able to hold it all. But that oil is heavier than the wax. So when we store our bars like this, the scent oils tend to go to the bottom. So it's best when you get a new bar to turn it over and to smell the bottom of it. You're always gonna get a better indication of the true fragrance. I hear people say a lot, well, I liked the bar when I smelled it like this, but when I warmed it, it was completely different. And the reason for that is you need to flip it over and smell the base of it. So as I'm smelling it, it is definitely cake, like almost like I can like taste the cake in my mouth. There is definite strawberry with just a little hint of lemon. It's almost like a strawberry cake with some lemon drizzle and with lemon zest on top. It's really good. I'm normally not a bakery lover, but this I would warm. It's good, it's sweet, but it's not like sickening sweet, if you know what I mean. I'm gonna have to give this one a try. I typically will not warm the bakery scents, but I'm gonna give that one a try. We might need to go put it in the kitchen in a little bit. I like bakery scents reserved for my kitchen. I'm not gonna show you the warmer yet because that's gonna be a big surprise. But as a consultant, we also, in the scent and warmer of the kit, scent and warmer of the month kit, we get this package of 50 flyers. So these are great to mail out to my customers. Super, super great business tool. Now we have a warmer in here. So exciting. Before I open the warmer, I want to show you another cool thing that comes. We get scratch and sniff stickers. We get a package of 72 scratch and sniff stickers. I love to use these on my customer mail, like my thank you notes, different stuff like that. Who doesn't love a good throwback to a scratch and sniff sticker? I mean, how fun is that? I remember when I was in kindergarten and we used to love to get those scratch and sniff stickers on our papers from the teacher. Okay guys, let's check out this warmer. I told you it was very holiday specific, and it is. Look how cute. Look how cute this bunny is. Now guys, this is a ceramic warmer, but I'm gonna hold it really close. It almost has like a carved wood look to it. How cute is that? You can display all the different sides of it. How cute. Now, this is an element warmer. If you guys are not familiar with how our warmers work, there's really two methods that we use to warm our wax. A lot of our warmers have a light bulb. So you'll see my aerial warmer back here. It's bright. It has a light bulb inside of it, and that is what is used to melt the wax. But this is an element warmer. Some of our element warmers have a separate dish. This one does not. This is just all one piece. So what we have done is there is a warmer plate underneath that dish, a warmer plate built into the warmer. So when you plug it in and turn it on, there is an indicator light. This little thing right here is gonna light up orangish red to let you know that the warmer is on. Now that warmer plate underneath the dish is going to warm up and melt the wax. If you've never used Scentsy wax before, it is totally up to you how much wax you use. In a full-size warmer like this, I prefer to use 3 to 4 cubes. Pardon me, 3 to 4 cubes. The more wax you use, the better the experience of the fragrance. So I like to use a little bit more. I like to fill my dish all the way full. 3 to 4 cubes is what I will be using in this warmer. Also, let's talk about the fact that this doesn't have a dish. So how am I going to change the wax? I get that question a lot from people, especially on these element warmers that don't have a separate dish. Because I found that a lot of people are picking up their dish, walking over to the trash can and dumping it out. The problem with that is you can trip, fall, drop your dish, whatever, break your dish, and then what are you gonna do? Because without a dish, you can't use your Scentsy warmer. So Scentsy has these amazing things called cotton cleanups. Guys, that is just a honking huge piece of cotton, and I promise you it is large. So what I would do when my wax was fully melted in this warmer, I would put the cotton cleanup in there, and it's just going to soak up all that melted wax, soak it up into the cotton. You might need to give it a little wiggle around, a little swoosh, but that cotton cleanup is going to be full of wax. So you're just gonna toss that. I can usually clean out 2 warmers with 1 cotton cleanup. I told you guys this was big. It is. I can usually clean up 2 different warmers before I toss a cotton cleanup, and then I'm gonna be ready for fresh wax. So that is the easiest way to change your wax in these element warmers. But again, this is our warmer of the month for March. For March, it's called Hoppy Easter. I mean, come on, friends. I just love how it has that wood carved look, but it's still a Scentsy warmer. I absolutely love it. Again, this is available March 1st. This warmer is going to be 10% off the entire month of March. So that is going to make it at the price point of, let's see, $54. What a great deal, 10% off. This is normally a $60 warmer, makes it $54. Our scent of the month is also 10% off, normally $6 a bar. It's gonna be $5.40. So this is a great deal, available March 1st, only discounted in the month of March. So don't hesitate, don't wait. This is a super, super cute warmer, and I have a feeling it's gonna sell great and might possibly sell out. We never know. With Warmer of the Month, we are always going to make it for you, even if it does sell out, but sometimes it goes on back order and you have to wait a super long time for it. So I wouldn't wait. If you love this, you wanna get it out for your Easter decor anyway. You can order it by texting me at 918-888-9690, or jump on over to JamiJoSellsWax.com. You're gonna see it there. Do not wait to get this. It would look so cute with all your Easter decorations. Get that bunny out there with all the other fun stuff, and make sure that you like and follow me, because a lot of my reels now are fun little holiday things too. So you might find some really cute decorating ideas there as well. All right, guys, just to remind you, my name is Jami Jo. I'm with Jami Jo Sells Wax, and I'm here to make your nose happy.